guys, welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Chloe, but you call me Miss Chloe, period. I'm so excited about today's video because okay, so today's video is basically going to be a review on an EAP heat flat iron. Now most people probably looked at me like, okay Chloe, what's so special about the flat iron? Basically, I saw it on Instagram a while back. I have been following the page and I have been obsessed because it seems to be like the best flat iron in the entire world. Just based on the videos that I've seen. Wow, I'm about to say based on the videos that I've seen. Based on the videos that I've seen, any kind of hair, curly hair, kinky curly hair, people with 4C hair texture, from very curly to bone straight with one pass. Now, if you know, most flat irons need to go more than one pass to make your hair bone straight, but apparently this flat iron only need one pass to make it bone straight. So I also want y'all to see that when you have 100% virgin hair, good quality hair, it can straighten and it can revert back to curly. So I'm going to flat iron the entire wig, and tonight I'm going to spray it and revert it back to show that it can curl back up. So I'm talking too much, let me show iron. This is what it looks like. So pretty. I love it. So it has the EAP heat logo. I'll put all information for the flat iron down below if you want to get it. That flat iron is not cheap. I tell you that off the bat, it's not cheap, but it is worth the price. So EAP heat, if you ever come across this video, you want to run me a discount code. My Instagram name is @bellshippingbychloe. My email address, I'll put it below. You can email me and we can do a collab. Okay, I need a discount code so I can give to my client. One is green. It's automatically on 450. I'm going to leave it on 450 because I need my shit to be hot. So all I'm going to be using is just a comb. I'm going to do the comb chase method. I might use a little bit of heat protectant spray or argan oil. I'm not sure it. You see my flat iron is on 450. You put the comb right here. You take the flat iron. Let's bring it down. Do you think it's a really good flat iron? Because in my opinion it is. This is one side, straight side, and this is the curly side. I'm so fast when I'm excited. Okay, I need y'all to screenshot this. Screenshot this. Screenshot this. And post it on your story. Tag Belle, Chloe, and Miss Chloe, and tag EAP Heat. Okay, tag them. I want that video to go viral. I want them to see that video so they can repost it to their page. Okay, your girl is trying to get some sponsorships. Hopefully they see that video and they actually like it. Then they will reach out to me and give me a discount code so I can give to y'all, and maybe we can do some collabs in the future where they can send me some stuff for free to review because I paid for that for my money. So this is basically a free promo EAP heat. I'm gonna fast forward because I don't talk too much. My throat already dry and I'm not gonna talk about it anyway. So I'm gonna do flat iron this side and then show you all the finished look. Okay, so I'm done flat ironing my hair. Let me know what y'all think. From curly to straight, I feel like for the most part this is a really good flat iron. I would recommend it. Out of 10, I would probably honestly give it a 8.75 or something like that. Like almost 9, but not 9 per se. But it's really good, really good. Follow me on Instagram at misschloe.x right here, and on my business page at @bellshippingbychloe. Check out my website if you want to get these bundles or you want to get these bundles. I'll put the information right here and the link below. So watching my video. Give me a thumbs up if you want more videos like this, or comment and let me know what should I do next in terms of like hair videos or videos in general. Well, I think that's all. Okay guys, bye.
Bear gal in the army. When we step in at the party, I wanna hook up on a yardie. Watch me dancing on you.